So far, it's pretty good. We had very interesting talks, very impressive area here, the area at the Motor World. I can say a small story. Yeah,
Go on in, tell us a small story.
When I arrived here, I followed the delivery entrance and I end up directly in the Motor World. It was like a huge garage out of Porsche, Maserati, Ferrari, and I was thinking, okay, where's my machine? So
where is your machine?
Yeah, it was very nice, very nice looking.
Good.
Perfect.
I think you've chosen really well. It's great to be in an international venue. Obviously, we've got Motor World, so it's brilliant. It's great to see all the amazing cars as
Amazing
well.
cars, yep.
Yeah, and I think the feedback's been very, very positive. Everyone really likes having it here, so they're saying we hope it's going to be here again.
Yeah, it will be. It'll be here April next year, so 2027 will be in Motor World.
I think yesterday it started great. I was really amazed about the number of people. I was amazed how it was launched over here because everything is a little bit more the same. You meet a lot of people in this area again, which was a failure during the last few years. Where do you go? What kind of exhibitions are for us as the digital printing industry needs? And I think it's a good one. We need to start this up, make it bigger, and make this to work.
I think the vibe has been really great. Me personally, you know, I've been around in the inkjet industry for a while, and I've had conversations with people who I'd never met before. You know, end users coming to investigate inkjets. I mean, the location itself is also great.
Cool, isn't it?
You know, so I think it's definitely something we need in the industrial space for sure. We need somewhere where we can come together and speak to end users.
I've got to say, it's really interesting. You know, one of the things everybody talks about, of course, is all the beautiful cars out there. And we even had a little game last night over dinner going like, well, if money wasn't a budget, which car would you buy? Which led to some interesting discussions. But no, it's a lovely venue. Obviously, Munich's a really easy place to get to. I like, you know, it's very spacious and airy, and it's, you know, it's been really well attended. And the feedback I've had from everyone is they really like it. So the format works well. You know, we're getting good footfall. We've had a lot of inquiries. And so, yeah, no, it's good. I think it bodes well for the future, right?
Brilliant. So it's a bit of a leap of faith, wasn't it? Because we'd all got kind of comfortable perhaps with the Cambridge event we had, and that was quite nice, but it started to perhaps not give much growth opportunity. What kind of people have you talked to here? Is it much of the same people, or some different people, or some new people?
No, I think we get some new people, right, which is nice. It's always good to meet up with your existing customers because there are always new opportunities in existing accounts, and they're always probably amongst some of the best, right, to mine your existing business. And then we've had some genuine people who've come up, or people just over there, and they've gone, oh, didn't know you did IR systems as well, because we only do aqueous inkjets, so that was why we didn't talk to you. But now they're going, oh yeah, we need to talk, right? And so it's that opportunity to show the broader portfolio of products and getting people, even people who we know really well, sometimes haven't got the message yet, right? And they haven't really understood what's happened and how we've evolved as a company since our acquisition by exhibitors. So that's kind of interesting, and that's really shown some benefits for us here, right? Yeah.
Okay. You always give good talks at these events, and they're always fresh and different each time. And you're speaking at the FuturePrint AI for Industrial Print event.
That's
Could
right.
you give us an idea of some of the themes and ideas that you're going to give over in your talk?
Yeah. So my focus is on about AI and sustainability, friends or foes. You know, are they compatible? How do we apply these concepts and ideas to the packaging industry? So I've looked at various areas and identified what AI brings, what are the advantages of AI in these areas, and then I've done maybe like half a dozen of those, talking about everything from logistics to design and other areas, but then also trying to say, how do we rank these, right? So should you just jump in with everything? Of course not. So how do we rank them? Where are we going to get the quickest ROI return? Where are we going to get the biggest impact in sustainability? And how do we build all that going forward, right? And so I've been putting together a presentation on that. So I'll be talking about that later, about how we can rank those and then give some kind of a roadmap and a summary on all that. So yeah, should be interesting.